softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back again to the channel. Today is a beautiful Tuesday morning, 18th of April. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my platform. So I said let me start this vlog this morning. So last time I promised I want to retouch my hair and I want to make ofada sauce today this morning. Oh, and then maybe I'll be going that later. I don't know what else will come on this vlog, but first and foremost, I'm going to retouch my hair this morning because this is my hair. I've not have time for this and it's breaking out. I don't have a game in my back. If I show you guys my back hair, you will just say, hey, please go and cut this hair and let this hair just rest. But I'm not cutting it. So I'm making a further sauce as well, and I just want to show you guys this. So I ordered it online. Where is it? Come here. On Saturday. So the guys, the online people, they told me to arrive here 2 working days. So I just got it this morning. We have a new mic, guys. Praise the Lord. I got a mic. For a while that I've been on this YouTube, I've not gotten a mic. So I ordered this mic on Saturday and it arrived here today, this morning. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy that we got a new mic. It's just like this. Let me show you what it looks. It's like this. I'm surprised that it came with only 1 mic. It's supposed to be 2, but I received only 1. This is the charger inside here, and here is the one you can attach to your phone and the one you attach to your dress. Maybe if I'm doing the video again, guys, you will tell me the difference between no mic and mic. I'm so happy to get this mic. I don't know. We are increasing in this YouTube streets. Thank God for the... Anyway, let's go and start this vlog, guys, before I stand here and rant too much, okay? So, guys, so I remember that I promised Natasha that I'm going to make spaghetti for her before she return from school. So I just go ahead and make the spaghetti first before I start making my ofada sauce. So the spaghetti does not require more time. Just make my sauce, my minced meat, which I bought from the store. Just added the meat. Look at that, what I'm adding over there, and a little bit of tomatoes, my green pepper for garnishing. Everything is just there. Keep on watching. I'm still in the building.
I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me.
I've come up with I've added my green pepper for garnishing.
But if you ask them,
See?
they know me.
Yo,
I know they know me. So you know music chose me. Just know this and know me. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely.
right here.
Ladies, come and feel me slowly. Hold you for a
So I retouch my hair. I just leave it like that to dry on its own. It has dried. I want to put some oil on it. This pattern oil. I'm putting little one. I don't want too much of it. And this my detangling spray. I love the scent of this spray. It's like perfume. The scent is so nice. So just scrub and pack. I don't know if I'm the only person. Each time I retouch my hair will not relax. This hair, it will refuse to relax. Lala, it will not relax. So you just return back to the way it used to be. So, but the only difference is that I can comb it and all the dirty out of it. That's the only thing relaxer does to this hair. The other things, relaxation. I just want to pack it like this. Yeah. Relaxation is just out of it for this hair. So I'm going out to get detergent to clean the house. We run out of some of the important detergents. Yes, we run out of it. So I'm going to get it. Today is Thursday, and eventually we do clean the house during the weekend, which is Saturday. And they never return back from school, and he's having running temperature. Don't know what's happening in school today. So I have given him paracetamol, which is a tachypyrina. I hope that will calm his temperature down. Never is right here looking at me. You will just say, what is my mommy always doing? Each time I'm making a video, he's always looking at me saying, what is this woman doing, talking to herself? I'm not talking to myself, my dear. I'm doing a video. I'm making a video. So I just want to go out. I hope before I return back, his temperature will be fine. If not, if I look the way it is during the night, I can take him to the hospital. But if he's okay during the night, I'll just wait tomorrow morning to take him to his daughter, which is Friday. All right. See you guys later when I'm outside.
I'm gonna see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get lava, come on, pass it down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condo life, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do one. Me, I know there's me another girl for my people. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
the best like it? Everyone, do you like it? It's finished. I finished it already. By your cute face. Hey guys, so I just finished adding my bags. So I give Nevan a warm bath, so he's asleep already. He was crying. You see me petting him, so I have to bribe him with juice in order for him to sleep. So after bribing him, just fall asleep. I lie down with him, then he fall asleep. So what did I give him one bath? I remember when Evan was a year plus, it was running temperature just like this, but that one was more serious. It was almost 40. So I rushed him to the emergency ward, and when we get there, straight they direct me to the children's section. When we get to the children's section, so when they checked his temperature, it was almost 40. The first thing the woman did was take off all his clothes and give him a warm bath. After giving him a warm bath, then he checked his temperature again and give him paracetamol, which is tachypirina. So after that, he asked me to wait to see the doctor. I said okay. So when the doctor arrived, the doctor checked him and do all the things that they need to do as a doctor, and he said he will be fine. So he prescribed some drugs for me to get the next morning. So he asked us to wait for like an hour. Then after that, we just returned back home. The next day, Nevan was just fine. No, so that's, I remember that today. I said, okay, let me just give him another warm bath. Maybe that will work for us today. So I did it, and Nevan is sleeping now. His temperature is fine. I just checked it before sitting down here to make this video. His temperature is fine, and it's breathing really fine. So I said, let me just sit here and gist with you guys before I head to bed and also end this vlog. If you enjoy watching, guys, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. I will keep you guys updated about Nevan running temperature, if we are going to see a doctor tomorrow, or if I believe he's going to be fine. I don't think so, because I tried calling his daughter this evening, but he's not picking his phone. I believe he's not in the office today. Today is Thursday. He's not in the office. On Friday morning, yes, I'll call him tomorrow morning and see if he's on seat. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next video. Thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye guys.